Demand analysis. Desire. A desire is willingness to buy something. Human beings' desires are unlimited. Desire has no boundary. Demand is the quantity of a commodity which a person is ready to buy at a specific period of time. Definition of demand. Demand is a desire which is backed by the ability to pay and the willingness to buy a particular commodity at a specific price and at a specific period of time. Demand is equal to desire plus ability to pay plus willingness to buy. Types of demand. Point number 1. Direct demand. Point number 2. Indirect demand. Point number 3. Joint demand. Point number 4. Composite demand. Point number 5. Competitive demand. Types of demand. Direct demand. Direct demand refers to the demand for goods meant for final consumption. It is the demand for consumer goods like food items, ready-made garments and houses, etc. It depends on price, income, taste, etc. of consumer and it does not depend upon any other goods for its demand. Direct demand is also known as autonomous or conventional demand because it is independent of demand for any other commodities. Indirect demand. Indirect demand refers to the demand for goods which are needed for further production. It is the demand for producers' goods like industrial raw material, machine tools, equipments, etc. Derived demand depends on demand for other final goods. In case of demand for cotton shirt, cotton is the primary goods and shirt is dependent. Example, all the factors of production have derived demand. Joint demand. Joint demand refers to the relationship between two or more commodities or services when they are demanded jointly. There is a joint demand for cars and petrol, pen and ink, tea and sugar, etc. Jointly demanded goods are complementary. Joint demand occurs when demand for two goods is interdependent. Demand. Composite demand happens when goods or services have more than one use, so that an increase in the demand for one product leads to the fall in supply of the other. A good example of composite demand is milk, which can be used for cheese, yogurts, cream butter and other products. Another example is land. Farmland can be developed in many different ways. Competitive demand. Commodities that are substitutes for each other are said to have competitive demand. A state of affairs observed between the market for goods that can be readily be substituted for one another. For example, in a competitive demand situation faced by businessmen, a prospective buyer could choose either of the two competitive products and still receive the same level of satisfaction. Example, tea and coffee, sugar and jaggery, etc.